Alright, so today I'm going to be making an R&B style sample. I'm not going to kind of set too many expectations about where it's going to go. All I know is going to be in the style of Drake, PARTYNEXTDOOR, Bryson Tiller, maybe The Weeknd, that kind of vibe. I'm going to just play around with different textures and sounds and just see what we get to, get creative with it. You know what, I'm not sure, so let's just get into it and see what we make. Let's start with maybe just a piano for now, just to get the chords down. That's nice. That's what I've got at the moment. Randomizing manually slightly. I'll add a pad behind this, I think. So let's see if we can find another layer. Alright, let's grab one of these pads. Just copy this over. Just get rid of these little parts. I'm going to lower the tempo slightly. It's nice though. Alright, I'm going to jump into some bass. Alright, this is sounding cool. I think I'm going to chuck some drums in there real quick, just to test how it's sounding. I usually like to do that just to kind of get a feel of how the sample's bounce is going to sound, and sometimes it can just give some quick ideas. Alright, feeling the kind of, get the vibe. Yeah, I'm hearing something. I'm hearing like a some sort of weird sound. I don't know what, maybe like a lead or something. I like that it sounds kind of different, like unique. Let's just see if we can make anything cool with it. Reverse it, I don't know, something, let's see. Alright, this sounds cool. I'm gonna record it out, maybe flip it, maybe reverse it. Alright, I think I'm going to keep that as just like a background ambience texture. Just, yeah, render it out, bring it back into the playlist, and yeah, again, just chop and cut and reverse, see what we can come up with. That's the thing with these kind of samples, it's just building, layering, trying different sounds and effects, just building that ear candy one by one. Alright, they're all coming now, they're all coming. Say hello. Oh, that could be hard. Oh yeah, I like that. I like that. I think that's really cool. Right, so my computer's died. I'm hoping I haven't lost that last bit. Bear with. Some technical difficulties. We've got. Alright, so annoyingly, my computer stopped recording. So I'm going to talk you through roughly what I've done since that point. So this is where we're at when we froze. I think I half-timed it. Yeah, I've half-timed that basically. After that, I essentially just added this vocal. It's got some effects on it, I think. Essentially, it's just some drowning out effects. We've got a vintage verb, we've got a portal, a panamatic. Quite simple, and then I just cut it ever so slightly. So we've got this part repeating. And then I've re-rendered that out. And then after that section, I've just added this little phrase in here. Which is crazy to be fair. To make that kind of sound, all I did was I started with an Analog Labs, and that just sounds like this originally. All I did was run it through Portal, not even preset, and it came out like this originally. And I thought it was a bit intense, so I've pitched it down and I've just used that first section and repeated it. And essentially, where we are is here. All right, so you're up to speed. So now I'm basically just gonna add a little mini counter to that. I wanted some sort of sound to come in between. Something just to counter that melody and fill in that space slightly. Nothing too crazy. Ooh. That's hard. I'm not sure on the vocal right now again. I might have to end up cutting that out or changing it in some way, maybe reversing it or something so it's more just ambience. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna mix a little bit. I think we're nearly there with this. I don't want to add too much more because we've got a lot in there. These sounds I'm going to kind of break apart, kind of add different sections in, take some of these sounds out, add some in. So it's not all just one mishmash of textures. You kind of got different sections and different parts which can be used. But yeah, I think this sounds pretty cool. All right, so now I'm just going to arrange it and create some sections, keep it simple, just allow a bit of flexibility and add some stems. Also going to add some RC20 just to make it a little bit more retro feeling. Cool. All right, so I think this is the finished sample. Pitched at 1 semitone. That's what it sounds like. So yeah, that's pretty much the sample. I hope you enjoyed the process. Sorry it kind of cut out at some point and we had to do a little bit of post explaining, but I think the sample sounds cool. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, share, wherever you can. Let me know in the comments what you want me to see next. I'm thinking of dropping a drum kit, some sound kits, maybe some other product loop kits, stuff like that. So yeah, if that sounds interesting to you guys, let me know. I'll see you in the next one.